Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, get ready for the world's funniest feathered comedians.
13 shooting. We have 2 goals and 3 assists. And because our team's total.
Rudy, Audra's not home.
When you start 5 new hobbies in the span of 10 seconds.
What kind of bird are you?
I'm an Amazon.
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 Amazon parrot. Huh, Dumby? Dumby? She's very smart. What's the duck say?
Quack, quack, quack.
I've never seen an all blue one like that.
Look at that aggressive crunch. That almond never stood a chance. What's mine is mine, and what's yours is also mine, woman.
Baby.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Great. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Security is tight today. No one can enter his golden nesting territory.
I can't give you a kiss right now. Are you done? Okay.
Dr. Parrot, is everything all right with my teeth? I'm worried. Parrots are profoundly social creatures, and clearly Dad has been chosen.
Where's Harley? Peekaboo! Where's Harley?
Me getting back to work when I hear a raise. Guys, this is a full-blown kitchen heist happening in broad daylight.
Bang. Spin. Good.
She's stuck in an infinite loop of, how dare this door disrespect me? Do you think he's pro enough for the M3 chip? He's not a mechanic, he's the chief supervisor. Good work, man. Look at that head flip. Someone is auditioning for a shampoo commercial. Your earphones are a spicy spaghetti noodle that must be defeated.
Hello.
Bet he's gonna have orange feet for a week. Finally, we found the perfect roommate who actually helps with the chores. My rich sister's face when she spent $200 on a spa day, like,
He's mad. He's complaining. You mad?
Hey, baby, you can't have coffee. Can't have coffee.
license and registration, please. And do you have any crackers? This isn't a living room, it's a live-action game of The Floor is Lava. Thanks for watching. Hope these birds made you laugh. Like and subscribe for more.